Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to show you how to use these LED balloons. They come in 8 separate colors. This one is in the color of gold. They have this great tag on the end. You're going to just pull on that and also make sure you have a nice secure grip on the actual top of the balloon. You'll see when it's done and it's effective that you see this little LED light on the very top. For any reason, if you don't see that light, make sure you give it a little twist and turn. You'll see it on the actual balloon, or just a little jiggle, and it should ignite. Once that is done, then you go ahead and blow it up. We have one of these hand pumps. Everything's in the description below, or you can use helium, whichever kind of suits your event or your budget. Either one is fine with these balloons. Once it's all tied, of course, in the broad daylight, you don't really see the LED, but there you go. The magnificence is when it shines bright at night. So these are amazing for those events that are like evening events going into the night and the party is getting started. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys enjoy the video, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.